Good afternoon students. Today we will start the web class. So in previous class we have stopped here. So how to declare a variable and how to assign a value and how to print a message. Okay. To use script in your HTML page, compulsory you need script tag, then followed by your variable, then printing statement or expressions. Okay, then you have to close the script. Now we'll see the small demo for this, how to execute a file. Okay, so now this one is a common web page I have created. You know, right, how to create a web page normally. See, sample HTML page we have to create. You know, right, how to create a HTML page? Say yes or no. HTML page. Now in HTML page we have to use our script tag. Okay, script. So now basically I have used this body tag and h1 tag. So for this I am getting the output for like this. So due to this normal HTML page I am displaying welcome to web class. Okay, two tags I am using here. One is h1 tag, another one is body tag. Okay, now same thing we have to use to write JavaScript, tag. Okay, now see here, to use script compulsory you need script tag. Yes, script. Now here you can type is equal to what? Text JavaScript, double quotes, close this. Right, this compulsory you have to use. Like in style sheet you are using style tag, here you are using script tag, so you have to use script. Now here I am declaring one variable name. So variable name is like what? How to create and declare a variable with the help of var keyword. This keyword, with the help of var keyword, going to declare one variable. Take any variable. Now I will take variable name as del. Okay, now here I am assigning the value 30. I am assigning the value 30. Right, now I want to print back this value. So 30 value is stored on variable del. Now I want to print this. To print any message using in JavaScript, which method we have to use? To print any method, which method we have to use? How to print message in JavaScript? Yes, document dot write method. Using this method only it is possible to display our message. Here I want to print my value, so I will write here within a double quotes del value is, then finish the double quotes. Right, now use plus operator followed by variable name. What is the variable name? What is the variable name here? Del. Variable name is del. Very good. Del. Then close the bracket, then give the semicolon. Then here we have opened our script tag. Now we have to close this script tag here. At the end of our statement we have to close. Script, how to close this? Using slash. Now finish, save it, then run the code. See here, del value is 30. It is printed, right? So it is called what? JavaScript. It is displaying, everyone is seeing this output, right? Now what I told, it is a dynamic typed language, right? Here instead of same variable, I have taken the same variable, but here I will assign the string. I will assign the string. See what will happen. AITM. I am assigning string value to variable. Same variable I am using, but even though it is going to display here. See. Now all of you observe here AITM. Doesn't mandatory we want to wish to take int, float or char, not like that. It all belongs to same variable. You can take in single variable, you have to assign different variables values. Is it clear? Here. Okay, so it is a normal script. Now I want to perform some arithmetic operations here. Okay, we have seen those examples in previous slides, but let's see what will happen. Variable, one value I am taking, that is number 1, and assign the value 20. Now I am taking variable num2 and assign the value 30. Right? Now which operation you want to perform? That is addition of two numbers. To perform like that, you need another variable. Right? Variable, I will say result. Variable number, variable name is result. Now to calculate this, just use result is equal to num1 plus num2. This is arithmetic expression, right? Result is equal to num1 and num2. Now your result is storing on where? Res variable. Take this variable to print the result. Res. Here we can write like this, addition of two numbers or sum of two numbers, like that. Sum of two numbers is res. Let's see, we are going to print like this. Sum of two numbers is 50. Sum of two numbers is 50. So in this way we have to use script tag in our HTML page. By the way, this one is our HTML page. See here, file name. What I have given file name? Web javascript.html. File name. In this HTML we are using script tag. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now the next one is undefined variable. Undefined, a variable that has been declared but not assigned a value, has the value called undefined. Which value we can call undefined here? Variable college, I have assigned the value, that is AITM. Okay, this job is done. Now observe the second line. Variable XYZ I have declared, but I didn't assign any values here. So in this situation we can call this variable as undefined. Simply we are declared here. We are not assigned a value to this variable. So it is called undefined variable. Variable that has been declared. Yes, it is declared, but not assigned a value. We are not assigning any value to this variable. So in this situation you can call this undefined. Okay, now let's move on to next one. Date object. It's quite interesting about the date object. It means you have to display a date in your web page. That is the meaning. A date object is created with which operator? New operator. date object is created with new operator and the date constructor. See here, new operator and date constructor. Date is a keyword followed by constructor or brackets. New date. So in this way we have to create our date. So variable, this we can give any name here. Variable today. I'm giving the variable name is today. So what will happen? Today's date will going to print. How to print? The date, today's date and time should be stored it on variable today. If you print this today variable, you will get the date. And the date and time properties of a date object are in two forms. If you use this single line, you have two properties. One is date and time. It will display in this way local and coordinated universal time. Local time and UTC, universal time, which was formerly named Greenwich Mean Time. Now it is displaying in what? UTC, universal time, coordinated universal time. Okay, let's see this, how the date will print. Simple, just take this variable name, keep it here, then here I will going to erase this. Okay, now I want to create a date. I want to display here date. Sum of two numbers is 50, right? Here I want to display date, current date. So like to display date, we have to use like this. First you declare one variable forward to storing the date and time. So give any variable name. Now I will give AITM is equal to new operator. Then how to use a date, how to construct a date with the help of new operator followed by date constructor. New date. This will display today's current date and time. Then it will store it on variable AITM. Now to print this result, which statement I need to print the today's date? What should I write? Next line. Document, very good. Document dot write. Now today's date is fine. Now which variable today's date is storing? AITM. Just print it here, AITM plus AITM. Now save this, run. See, today's date is, you have date like this. Today's date Tuesday, June 15th 2021. Then followed by today's time. Now Greenwich Mean Time. GMT means what? Greenwich Mean Time. So Indian Standard Time it will display. With the help of what? Only this line. Noon date. To use this word, I mean date constructor, you will have the output like this. Today's date and time it will print. Is it clear? Date object. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now for example here, variable today, new date, document dot write. In one more point you have to understand, in the scripting tag we can also use HTML tags. We can also use HTML tags here. Now I am printing this date with the help of h1 tag. It means it shows h1 style. Heading style is h1. So it is also possible to use tags, HTML tags in script also. It is possible. Now what will happen? H1 variable date is here today I am printing, so the date will going to print like this in this bigger size. In previous example we have seen small size is displayed, right? But if I use h1 tag in script to print this message, so it will display like this. So I have executed this code on 11th. Don't confuse, today is 15th and sir is displaying 11th. No, I have executed this code on this date. Is it clear, all of you? Okay. Now in the date object we have different kinds of methods. In date object we have these methods. What is the method? Day, you can also display the day, month and year. Some three methods I have taken here: day, month and year. In particular format also you can display, followed by what? Slash. Date you are representing in slash, right? So you can also display like this. 15th, today is 15th. How to make a format to display date? Like this, slash, or you can give here hyphen. So if you give here hyphen, it will display like in a hyphen way. So you are giving slash here, so it is displaying slash. Day is 15th, day is 15th followed by slash, month is 6th followed by slash, year is 21. If we use new date constructor, it will display what? Everything, date and time, everything it will display. But you want to print particular date only without printing time. Only if you want to display date, then you go for these methods. Which methods? Get date, get month and get full year. So these all are the methods. What are those? Get date, get month and get full year. And observe one more point. Here I am writing +1. Get month +1 I am writing here. Why I am writing +1? Because it by default your month starts with 0. 0 for January, 1 for February, like that it will display. So we are displaying accurate month. Today is 6th, right? So you have to make it +1. Now you will get correct month, that is 6th. So in get month you have to add +1 because month is starting from 0 to 11th. 0 to 11th. But total how many months are there? 12 months, right? Per year. So to display proper month you have to add +1. So these all are the methods we are using in date object. So these all are the methods. Sometimes they may going to ask, but you just remember any 4 or 5 methods. That's it. Any 5 methods which you can feel easy, just remember. To local string, it was a string of date information will going to display. And if you use this method, to local string, get date, if you use get date, the day of the month will display. Here you are using get date, right? See this second line, get date. What will happen? It is displaying what? Today's date, right? So this is called a date, means today's date will going to print. And get month means month number will display. Then full year means this year will going to display, right? And get month, the month of the year as a number in the range here. See 0 to 11. Number range is what? 0 to 11. But we have how many months? 12 months. For that we have to add +1 here. For that we have to add +1. Get month +1. So then we will get correct month. Is it clear? Understood this one? Similarly, get day and full year, get time, hours and minutes. You can also display time and the total hours and minutes also with the help of these methods: get minutes, get hours, get time. Okay, now how to make it? This one is very important question: screen output and keyboard input. Screen output and keyboard input, quite an important question. The window object includes two properties. One is document and window. Okay, document property refers to the document object and the window property is self-referential. It refers to the window object. Window object means, I will tell one something. This is called window. What you are getting this box, it is called window, or you can say pop-up boxes. See here, pop-up boxes, or we can say window, right? Write is used. We have seen document.write, right? So write is used to create XHTML code. The only useful punctuation in its parameter is in the form of XHTML tags. So we have used in previous example, that is document.write. Then what we have written, H1 today's date is, like that we have used, right? So write is used to what? Create your HTML code. Therefore the parameter of write often includes BR tag also. Break tag, if you want to take new line or you break the line, so you have to use BR tag in document.write method also. Okay, now this is what about output. We are talking about output. Screen output is there, right? So we are talking about output. Now the parameter of write can include any HTML tags and content. Any HTML tags and content. Content means what? We have displayed plus AITM plus MCA plus date, right? Plus result. That is what content. And the tags we have used like H1 tag, BR tag. We can also use these results. The write method actually can take any number of parameters. Here it will take any number of parameters. See, document.write. Here how many parameters I am using? Can anyone guess how many parameters I am using here? Guess how many parameters are there inside these brackets? You are not getting? See, result is one parameter. Within a double quotes you are writing the result is one parameter. Then particular result variable you are displaying here, one another parameter. Then next you are using break tag here. So total how many parameters here? 1, 2, 3 parameters. So the write method actually can take any number of parameters. So we are using such kind of parameters here. One is what to print, from where to print, then what is the purpose to print. I mean it is break the line or it will take the new line, right? So these we can call parameters. These we can write inside the write method. We are talking about output, screen output, isn't it? So this is one way, and multiple parameters are concatenated and placed in the output. Multiple parameters means we can also write here another result, another variable result. That shows what multiple parameters. Example I have taken here, document.write. The result is from where it has to display and result variable. Then what to print next? Next it has to break the line. So this is what output, screen output we are talking. Screen output means what? After writing this code, you are getting the output. How you are getting the output? Based on the script. In script what you have written? Here I am written to display the date. See here. Here I am writing displaying the date. Now I will make this. I am using H1 tag here. So let's see what will happen. Now it is displaying in small. Now if I run this, you will get like this. Bigger size. How it is displaying? It is called output, screen output. This is called screen output. So here how many parameters it is accepting? One parameter, that is H1 tag, result and variable, that is AITM. With the help of these parameters you are getting the output. It is called output. Now we will talk about input. Keyboard input. We have seen screen output. How to make output? Document.write method. Now keyboard input. There are three types of input. Remember this, and it is very important. Three kinds of input from the keyboard. We can also call pop-up boxes. Two names are there. Pop-up boxes and keyboard input types. Keyboard input types. So what are those? One is alert, confirm, prompt. By the way, what do you mean by alert here? What do you mean by alert? See, this is alert. This box we can call alert. And what do you mean by confirm? See, in alert you have only one button, that is OK. In alert you are having only one button, that is OK. Now take second one is confirm. In confirm you are having two buttons, OK and cancel. In confirm means you have to confirm. To confirm two choice, one is OK, another one is cancel. But in alert, I mean someone is giving instructions, means only one statement is there, right? You have to listen and obey the particular person's order. So only one direction. Only thing is what? You have to accept or listen the rules and orders. But in confirm, choice is yours. You may accept or you may not accept. OK for accepting and cancel for rejecting. This is confirm. Now prompt. Now see, prompt box. In prompt box it will going to ask, what is your opinion? You may type some opinion, then click on OK, it will accept. If you want to send any opinion, then click on cancel, it will not go send to your opinion to particular person. So it is called prompt. Is it clear? Alert, confirm, prompt. These all are boxes. These all are boxes, pop-up boxes. Let's see one by one. Alert. In alert, the method opens a dialog window and displays a parameter in that window. See, alert method opens dialog window. Yes, one window will open. After opening and displays its parameter in that window. What parameter I have given here? All of you observe in red color. Alert. Okay, alert box will open. After opening, it has to display inside the parameter. What I have written parameter? Alert here. This is a message. So alert here will display like this. Alert here. only one button you have. Then see here, danger symbol, you will get the danger symbol, alert. Okay, let's see this how it will work. So in script tab only we have to write this alert. Okay, remember that spelling, don't write alter. Some students may give alter spelling. Okay, so simply I will use alert. What to print in that message box, I can write here alert. So I will write like this. Now open this and show you. I am opening in two ways. I will show different outputs for you. So in alert box I have written everyone be alert. Okay, this I am opening in Internet Explorer. See, it is displayed in box window. Window is opened here. Let you see this output, message from web page. I mean this web page says everyone be alert, and symbol, see this symbol, triangle shape, then exclamation mark you are seeing here, it means alert, danger, everyone be alert. So what will happen, only receive this message, right, only one way communication, so simply click on OK, that's it. Now the same output, observe here, I will run once again, see what will happen. So this pop-up box is appearing in which browser? Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer. Now the same file I am running in this Chrome. See, you are getting the output like this. This is updated version. Here this page says everyone be alert, you are getting a message like this. One window is opened here, right, this is called pop-up box. Now this one is Internet Explorer, it is show like this, pop-up box, same code but it's showing in different way in Internet Explorer and in Chrome browsers. This is output from Internet Explorer and this is Chrome browser, this output. Here you are not getting that danger symbol, simply you have using everyone be alert. Then if you click on OK, only it will accept only. Okay, this is about alert pop-up box. The string parameter of alert is not XHTML code. See, alert, this is not HTML code. Have you seen this code in HTML tags? Have you used alert keyword? I am asking you only. Have you used this code in HTML? You used this code, alert keyword, have you used in HTML tags? The string parameter of alert is not XHTML code, it is a plain text. It is a plain text. Therefore, the string parameter of alert may include /n but never should include BR tag. In alert keyword, it should include /n but not include BR tag. So this is one way to write regarding alert pop-up box. Okay. It also displays an OK button. Only single OK button you will have. Okay. Now script, inside the script tag you have to write like this: alert here. What message you want to print, you can print it here. Okay, here I have taken simple example, alert here. Okay, you can write any information you can write. So this is regarding alert. Now so you'll get the message like this: confirm. Next, another one is confirm. This is confirm. So this box will open like this. To confirm, press OK or cancel. Two options you have. One is confirm or another one is cancel. To make a confirm, click on OK. To make a cancel, click on cancel button. The confirm method opens a dialog window in which the method displays its string parameter. It's a string parameter along with two buttons. One is OK, another one is cancel. While writing these examples, you have to draw these box on compulsory. Simply you are writing this theory part, you will not get. Compulsory you have to show confirm box like this, then you draw two buttons, one is OK and cancel button, compulsory. It returns boolean value that indicates user's button input true or OK. So it will consider in which way. If you press on OK button, it will consider true. What you are saying, it is true. If you press on cancel, it will accept false. So only two return values, that is true and false. And this method is often used to offer the user the choice of continuing some process. This line is very important. This method is often used to offer the user, means I am a user, choice of continuing some process. I may click on OK, so it will take next process. If I click on cancel, it will stop the process here. It will not take to me to next process. Okay, two choices, OK and cancel. So how to use this code? I'll show you one demo. So I'll take this. Inside the after alert, I will write this. See what will happen. One variable I have created for storing the result. Okay. Now I am going to use this keyword confirm. Confirm is a keyword, like we have used alert here, right? So here I am going to use confirm. Do you want to listen? Here I will change this. Do you want to listen this web class? Continue. So I am using message like this. Do you want to listen this web class? Continue. Your choice. You may click OK to continue, or not interested, you click cancel. That is the way. Let's see. First it will display what? Now we have in our code we have two keywords. I mean two pop-up box I am using. One is alert, another one is confirm. To our pop-up box, two box will going to display. So now you tell me, first box, either it will display confirm box or alert box. What is your opinion? Which box will going to run first? If I run this file, so which box I will get? Alert. First we will get alert, then if I click on OK button, then I will receive this box, confirm box. Let's see. Run. You will get alert. Alert box. Everyone be alert. Then click on OK. Then it will going to confirm your box. What box? Do you want to listen this web class? Continue. So your choice. You may click on OK. It will take to next class. If you want to make it cancel, so process it. Stop it here only. Okay. Two options. If I click on OK, it will accept boolean values. That is true. If I click on cancel button, it will accept false value. Okay. Okay. So it will take to next class like this. Understood? Is it clear? Okay. So now here, after the user process one of the buttons in the confirm dialog window, the script can test the variable question and react accordingly. We have used here variable question, right? QSN. Now we can say this output. What is the output for this? Okay. I will see. Test one more point here. Just a minute. What will display? Let's see. See here, all of you observe, I have pressed true. I have pressed OK button. Now the value of that prompt is displaying here what? True. Value of the OK button means what? What I am displaying here? True. Simply I am writing here, it will accept two values. One is true and false. If I click on OK button, it will accept true. That should be stored on variable QSN. Then I am printing the QSN value. Right? Now, that's why if I click on OK button, it will show true. Now, if I run the same code, now I will give cancel. All of you observe. If I click on this cancel button, what is the value? You will get what value you will get? If I click on this cancel button, we will receive that false value. Now the next one is prompt. Here it will ask the user, this method creates a dialog window that contains a text box used to collect a string of input. It is used to collect a string of input from the user, which prompt returns as its value. So here this box will going to ask to type any message from user. Okay, user can here type the message like enter your mail here. So you can type your mail address, then click on OK. After clicking on OK, so what will return? It will take what you have written, take that value. Okay, so in this situation we have to declare a variable undefined starting. Now after clicking this OK button, this value will going to store it on that variable. See, to define that prompt, so you have script followed by prompt keyword. So one more, please observe this point, it's very important. In previous examples you directly used alert and prompt, alert and confirm, but here you have to use prompt. For example, I am saying example, read a number from the keyboard. Read a number from the keyboard using prompt method. So here I am using a prompt keyword, okay, followed by one message, enter first number. One message I am going to display, enter first number. Now after using prompt followed by enter first number, then we have to make this close, then we have to convert this into int purpose. We have to convert this into int. To convert this character into int, we have to use one method. That method name is parseInt. That method name is parseInt. Compulsory. If you use a prompt, then you need parseInt. Why we are using parseInt here? Because we are converting character into integer. So for that we need parseInt method to convert into integer. Right? Yes, Lina? Yes, tell me. Is audible? Okay. Now see, first example, read a number from keyboard using prompt method. So here one more important point you have to observe. To use this prompt keyword, in previous examples we have used what? Directly alert and confirm we have used, but to use a prompt, here we are reading the integer number. So for that purpose you have to use parseInt method. One more method you have to use. Here in prompt, what you are displaying, like enter a first number. See here you are having enter your name here, right? This one message. Similarly, enter a first number. If you want to print enter a first number, so you will write like this inside the bracket. After writing, you have to make this. Now you are getting the output in character wise. You have to convert it into integer purpose. So for that you need one more method, that is parseInt. What you are writing, you have to make, apply the bracket, then convert this prompt enter a first number into parseInt method. Compulsory you have to make parseInt. Once you are using prompt, here you are taking the number, but this number is in base 1 character, right? Now you have to convert this into integer. To convert character into integer, you need parseInt method. You need parseInt, then store it on one variable, that is variable n1. That variable name is n1. Okay, now we display this variable. How to display this variable? Document.write value of n1 is n1, number is n1. Okay, so this is what? Prompt, using the prompt method. Now to read another second number, how we will write? Here I have written only number 1, enter a first number. Now it has to display enter the second number. How to write a code for this? It has to ask, enter a first number is over, now enter a second number. How? Prompt keyword followed by enter a second number, then converted into parseInt. Apply the bracket here. Here is also one bracket. Then use parseInt. Then store it on another variable. Variable name here I will take n2. Now display these two numbers. Alert number is. I can also display this message in alert box. Alert number 1. Number is n1. So which number you have to display, you can use it in alert, or you can use any basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, or any to find out any square root or calculate square number. You can use any operations based on that. Okay, so this is an example of prompt. Now tomorrow we will have a demo on this concept, okay, because it's quite important concept regarding this. Okay, today's class, everyone, have you understood today's class concept? Kiran? Okay. So